What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Ivy Bank. Ivy Bank is a leading online bank offering competitive market rates and seamless digital banking experience to enhance customers' financial success. Backed by the stability of Cambridge Savings Bank, Ivy Bank provides a range of innovative financial solutions designed to empower individuals in achieving their financial goals. Now, let's take a look at its features. Ivy Bank's high-yield savings account offers a guaranteed annual percentage yield of 5.30% for balances between $2,500 and $1 million. Customers can access a sophisticated money management tool upon opening an account, providing valuable insights into their financial picture and facilitating meaningful interactions with their finances. In the online banking platform, customers can easily view account rates and APY by selecting the account under the account's header and choosing account details. Accounts can be funded through paid authentication, manual entry, or external bank details, e-transfer, mobile deposit, domestic wire transfer, or mail deposit. Ivy Bank offers market-leading rates for certificates of deposit with a minimum opening balance of $1,000. Customers can choose from various term lengths to align with their savings goals. Similar to the savings account, CD customers can utilize the money management tool to visualize and interact with their financial information effectively. CDs automatically renew at maturity for the same term at the prevailing Ivy Bank rate unless changes are requested within 10 calendar days after maturity. Deposits in CDs are FDIC insured up to the maximum amount allowed by law, providing customers with peace of mind regarding the safety of their investments. Ivy Bank offers 24/7 access to accounts through its online and mobile banking platforms, allowing customers to check balances, view account history, access statements, and deposit checks using their Apple or Android devices. The bank's money management tool enables customers to budget effectively, gain insights into their spending habits, and manage their finances in a meaningful way. Customers can easily transfer funds between their Ivy Bank accounts and external accounts using the mobile banking app or online banking platform. Additionally, Ivy Bank provides free credit score monitoring, giving customers instant access to their credit score and report, along with personalized tips for improvement. Ivy Bank's money management tool offers powerful insights into customers' financial situations, helping them budget effectively and make informed financial decisions. Customers can visualize and interact with their financial data in meaningful way, gaining a deeper understanding of their spending patterns and financial health. Ivy Bank and Cambridge Savings Bank are treated as the same entity for FDIC insurance purposes, ensuring that deposits are protected up to the maximum amount allowed by law. This provides customers with a peace of mind that their funds are safe and secure. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Some customers have reported challenges with Ivy Bank's website due to the use of legacy software. This outdated system can make routine tasks like downloading statements difficult. For instance, the website may not fully support modern browsers like Chrome, requiring users to adjust settings for basic functions. This inconvenience compromises user experience and may raise concerns about data security. Ivy Bank should consider upgrading its software to ensure seamless functionality and enhanced security for its customers. Ivy Bank imposes withdrawal limits that may inconvenience customers needing quick access to their funds. Reports indicate that withdrawals are limited to $25,000 every 3 or 4 days, with a maximum monthly withdrawal cap of $100. This restriction can be problematic for individuals saving for significant purchases or emergencies, as it hinders the swift availability of funds. The inconsistent processing time for withdrawals adds another layer of uncertainty, potentially causing frustration for customers who require timely access to their savings. Ivy Bank's product offerings are limited to high-yield savings accounts and certificate of deposits, lacking options like checking accounts, money market accounts, or business accounts. This narrow range of accounts may not cater to customers seeking a full-service banking experience. Additionally, Ivy Bank's high minimum balance requirement, such as $2,500 minimum to open a high-yield savings account, may deter individuals with lower savings amounts from accessing the bank's competitive rates. Ivy Bank offers compelling digital banking experience with competitive rates and innovative financial tools. While it has notable strengths such as high-yield savings accounts and user-friendly online platforms, there are areas for improvement, including legacy software limitations, withdrawal restrictions, and limited account offerings. By addressing these drawbacks and continuing to enhance its services, Ivy Bank can further solidify its position as a customer-centric online bank dedicated to empowering individuals in achieving their financial goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.